The first cracks here are eagerly awaited by some. Narwhals. The unicorns of the north are on a mission to reach the new fishing grounds in the bays that have been frozen up all winter but are now opening up. To get to them, the narwhals must travel down leads, temporary cracks in the ice. But these new roads could close at any time, cutting off the air that they need to breathe. The road narrows until there's barely room for one-way traffic. Then, a surprise. Narwhals coming from the other direction. It's a standoff. Each team faces an armory of sharp tusks. Finally, one side concedes, and everyone continues in the same direction.